down payment? Don't flinch, you have options. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and here's a few things to consider for options on down payments and purchasing a home. First, if you have 20% and can swing putting that much down on the purchase of your home, that will have lower benefits. It'll give you more equity instantly in the home, and you won't have a private mortgage insurance. If 20% is a little much to be putting down up front on your house, then you could go for a 10% so that you have a little more equity, lower payments. You will still have PMI, which is your private mortgage insurance. Now for an FHA loan, the minimum you can put down is 3.5%, and a conventional loan is typically 5%, or in some cases you can get a 3% conventional loan. For a 0%, yes, $0 down, you would need to qualify for a VA loan or a USD loan. PMI, FHA, VA, USDA, choosing the right loan and down payment doesn't have to be confusing. If you're researching your options and you have questions, reach out. We'd love to introduce you to a lender that we work with day in and day out to make sure all the options are presented to you for selecting the right financing in purchasing your next home.